Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, today we are talking about the Paragon Fitwear leggings. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. If you guys like me, it does help. Let your friends know, let your grandma know, let everybody and their mamas know. Let Tom know, let Samantha know, let Ashley know. Let everybody in your circle know. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So today we are talking about the brand Paragon. You guys know I love leggings, and of course I love doing reviews. Paragon claims that they are a luxurious company that sells awesome footwear for a lower price. This is the native seamless legging in the color C. Online it is $19 and looks like the only one left is an extra small. Seems like everything else is out, but typically these are $35. What? 35? Girl, 35 for a legging?
For a legging.
35 for leggings?
For leggings. I think this has to be probably one of the more affordable brands that I've seen. The only lower brands that I've seen on this is whatever's on Amazon. Let's get into Paragon.
What exactly is Paragon offering?
Because all these other legging fitwear sites are offering something about their brand. The first thing they have on their website is that it's a fair price and good quality active wear. And it says good mood guarantee, which means the design is very nice and what have you not. It's a guaranteed product. So if you don't like it, email them and you can send it back.
We design basics and essential items in timeless understanding styles and colors, all made to last. We are proudly slow fashion, not fast fashion, because waste is gross. Made to last and made affordable.
These pair of leggings here is 65% nylon, 25% polyester, 10% spandex, and it's high-waisted and it's seamless. Now this kind of reminds me of Gymshark leggings because it is quite thick and the design is very subtle. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and show you guys what this looks like. So this is the front band of the leggings right here. Super, I'd say it's pretty wide, so it covers a good bit of your waist, and it is very thick as well. So I'm gonna stretch it out so you guys can see it. Although it is very stretchy and fitting, I don't think the waistband is as tight as the navigation leggings. I prefer a little bit more of a snug near the waist, and this one doesn't do that as much because you guys will see in the try-on part of this video that it is a bit loose near the tummy area. And that makes me worrisome that over time this can expand and loosen up and have that little loop in the back where your waist is. You know what I'm talking about? The little loop. Girl problems. This is the front. I'm gonna show you guys first. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit just to see if you guys can see through this front area. I mean, not too much, but that's really me stretching it out. And it is quote unquote seamless, even though there are some seams right here. Quote unquote seamless. And then the bottom is right here. Now I am 5'3", but the leggings come up a little bit, so I can't imagine how this would look on someone that is taller than me. Just a little thing you guys want to take in consideration. If you are taller, then it might be a little bit trickier. If you do want a full length look, this might not be the best option for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my favorite part of these leggings is that the back design is very, very subtle. So here is the back part, and of course they have their brand name right here. And then if you go down a little bit where the glutes are, you can see the design has a kind of like a V shape going in towards your butt to contour your butt just a tad. You can see this more, it's way more evident when I do a squat. So you can see it go down right here. And then on the side, I didn't realize this at first, but if you look closely, there is a different design pattern contouring the outside of the butt. So for you guys who don't want a very dramatic contour looking butt like most of the designs are nowadays, this Paragon style is for you. It's very subtle pop of butt contour. So I do like the contour design of the butt very much so. It is squat proof. You can maybe see like a smidge of skin. You could probably see a bit, just a small bit of skin, but for the most part, I feel like it is squat proof. The two cons I have with this product is that the waistband is not tight enough, and also you're gonna see this in the try on, a little bit of a camel tone, just a little bit. And you guys can also see the girl, the model in their product online. You can see her camel toe too, so it's a little bit unsettling. Only other con that I have with this product is that the first time I wore it, I did some deadlifts in it and I ruined them. So when you do deadlifts, this is the front part of the leggings. When you do deadlifts, you're supposed to have the bar close to your shins as possible. And of course, me wearing this leggings, I had to rub them on my leggings, and it actually pulled some of the fabric up, which is kind of sad because I low-key ruined the leggings a little bit. And you can see more on this other leg. This is the other leg right here. You can see how I pulled the fabric out of the leggings. Mind you, I've done deadlifts with Lululemons, navigation leggings, Gymshark leggings, and this has never happened to any of them. And I've had the other leggings I have, especially for Lulus, there's like all different type of materials, designed for yoga, designed for running, designed for training, all different types of designs from Lululemon, and that has never happened to any of my leggings except for this one, which I'm a bit disappointed in, and that constitutes to why I wouldn't purchase these pair of leggings on my own. But if somebody wants to gift them to me, I would be happy, gladly to take them. But overall, if you guys don't lift, you should be fine. If you don't lift, like, you know, if you don't lift and you're just more like a yoga person, this should be good for you. I just wanted to give you guys my 2 cents on this. And yeah, overall, I give these leggings a like a 6.5 out of 10. Like a 7 or 6.5 out of 10.
Please don't cover me.
So the next part of this video, I'm going to show you guys the try on and the squat part of this review video. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope it helped somehow. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will catch you guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.